Alright, here's a short unboxing of a couple custom models I had built for me. These are made by Lewis. He is a YouTuber who also makes great stop motion videos. I'll have a link in the description to his channel. But I wanted him to build me two custom trailers to haul counterweights. A company close by uses these trailers, and I wanted to use them for my 1500 or they will actually fit 3 different models. I sent him a couple pictures that I had of the trailers, and he built these without any measurements, and he just went off the pictures. So they're not exactly perfect to the real thing, but these look really nice. It's all plastic. These are counterweight trailers, if I didn't mention that. These can haul 2 counterweight slabs at once, and you don't have to strap them down or anything. The axle pivots. It's not spring loaded, but it's still pretty cool. Being he didn't have no measurements or blueprints to go off of, he put little chain loops on there, even though it doesn't really need it, because I'm sure some of y'all have seen the pictures of these trailers, but these posts they just sit on like that. The real ones, they're fixed, and they're to a certain model. But these will fit the LTM 1200, the LTM 1300, and the LTM 1500. And all 3 weights are a different size, so to make it work, he made these slide on a little track. In the 1500 weights, the holes right here are a little wider, so you have to use these tubing spacers. And they just sit on like that. And it's really cool. And the weights won't slide around. Here's the back. I don't think the jacks actually work, but it's still really cool custom part, custom models. I haven't seen any trailers like this built before. Get a tractor real quick. Now, the real ones that I've seen, they don't use a 3-axle tractor. They just use a 2-axle. That looks really cool. I might have to buy 2 more tractors like that. The 357, I think they are. This came from the East Dump trailer. Get the 1200 weights and the 1300 weights and show you. Here's the 1200 weights. Paint's a little thick. But anyway, there's the 1200 weights. And if I can get this pin out of here. Here are the 1200 or the 1300 weights. Might have to drill the holes out a little bigger or something. Paint's a little thick on it. It's fitting one, but it's not fitting the other. But anyway, they should fit 3 different models. And I had to order some DOT stripes from DHS because Lewis didn't have any. But here are the stripes. I gotta stick them on. They're like $9 or $10 a piece, I think. And I got to put these on. I don't know if you can really read that. It says counterweight trailer 1 and counterweight trailer 2 and approximate tear weight 7,000 pounds. So I got to put them on. I tried to print these out on decal paper, but they wouldn't come out right. So I just printed them off on regular paper with the black background. You'll never even tell. Like I said, these posts slide back and forth to accommodate the counterweight holes. And these little spacers are for the 1500 weights. These are really, really nice. And as you can see, they hook onto the sword tractors. But now that I have these, I'm waiting on one more part for my 1500. before I start the assembly video. If you can see it, the working light right here on this side broke off. I tried to glue it back on, but it just won't stay because there's really nothing to glue it to. The little stem on it is so small, there's just no area for the glue to sit on. But that should be here sometime next week. And then once it gets here, I'll start on the video. I actually can't wait to start this one. It won't be a very long video, but should be cool. And like I said, I'll have a link in the description to Lewis's YouTube channel. And if you want something like this done, you can message him. These two were $150 for both of them. I wanted two so I could pull two of them in at once instead of just using one. And make it look better, I guess. But yeah, if you haven't, go check his channel out. He does really great videos and builds awesome stuff out of Plastruct. But I hope you all like this unboxing. Pretty unique models.